and Kuya Yani. And moving up by the rally, Sydney Bloom, Van Bahamas Thunderbird, yes ma'am. Also rushing up is Hot Gossip, New Chapter, Silver Ridge, another stunner, worth the wait, running by the rail, is entry number 3, Best Kept Secret, while Nobody But You is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, New Chapter, and on the outside rushing up is Kuya Yani, in between runners Thunderbird, One Bahamas. Then here comes entry number 11, Silver Ridge, and yes ma'am. And as they race the last 500, Kuya Yani by about 2 lengths, Silver Ridge, Thunderbird, New Chapter, and another stunner, One Bahamas, Hot Gossip, and yes ma'am, they're having some problem as they race the last 250. Kuya Yani by about 2 lengths, Thunderbird in second, and racing on the outside is Silver Ridge, and New Chapter on the outside, Nobody But You, and with the last 50 meters, it's Nobody But You winning this race. Close, Kuya Yani, Hot Gossip, Thunderbird.